welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page username. So let's begin. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook page. Having opened up your Facebook page, the next thing you want to do is to simply come to the sidebar right here, navigate to settings. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to page setup. So simply click on page setup, just like so, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to view right here, just like so. It takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply come to the side of username right here. You can see username. So what you want to do is to simply click on edit, this pencil icon, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to rename it, just like so. Now, by default, you have a suggested name by Facebook. You can decide to change to whatever username of your choice, just like so. And in a few seconds, so this username is not available. So we can try and see another one. So you keep on trying until you see the one that is available. 2025. Let me try on that. And this user is very much available. Now, once you are getting an available user, next thing you want to do is to simply click on Save Change. Just like so, and then you have successfully changed your username on Facebook page. So basically, this is how to simply change your Facebook page username. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.